Very good morning, children. How are you? Fine. Okay. We are going to discuss about the extensive properties and intensive properties. First of all, extensive properties and intensive. It is classified into the two types: extensive properties and intensive properties. First of all, I will explain with suitable example according to based on that concept understanding purpose. It is a one container. In this container I can take here one gas, V gas at temperature T. It is a one container. In that I can take here one gas in that container, volume V at temperature T. The gas at volume V and temperature T. This container bisect into two part, and V is converted into V by 2, half. Each part having half the volume of the gas. V is converted into V by 2. Temperature remains constant T, and V is converted into V by 2 and T. It is bisected into two half parts. Only V changes. V is converted into V by 2. Temperature remains constant. Temperature change. And in this is one system, this is the one system. The properties of the system which independent on the total amount of the material. Materially it is converted into half, fourth, 3 by 4th, whatever may be. Properties of the system which independent on the total amount of the material present in that system is called as intensive properties. Temperature remains constant, so independent. This is the intensive properties. And extensive properties. Properties of the system which depends upon the total amount of the material. V is converted into V by 2. It is depends upon the material volume V. V is converted into V by 2. Properties of the system which depends upon the total amount of the material present in that system. For example, I can take the mass also. M is converted into M by 2. Volume V is converted into V by 2. All these properties are depends: mass, volume, internal energy, enthalpy, heat capacity, entropy, Gibbs energy, and etc. These are the examples of the extensive properties. Properties of the system which depends upon the total amount of the material present in that system. It is called as extensive properties. Properties of the system which independent on the total amount of the material present in that system. This is the basic concept of the extensive properties and intensive properties.